The big day is finally here. The Beatles have officially released their brand new song, Now and Then, which has been decades in the making, all thanks to a little help from their friend AI. Now and Then was created using AI to help salvage and extract John Lennon's voice and performance from an early recording of this song. On the production end, they had Paul McCartney and the whole team lay down new tracks and help bring John Lennon's vision to life. This demonstrates just exactly how producers and teams around the world can use AI for good in a way that will help benefit artists and fans around the world. How will this inspire other production teams to use AI in creative ways? We want to hear from you. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to AI Creative Labs for the latest in AI and AI creativity. Thanks for watching.